How do you sing like Ariana Grande? From how I see it, she has an amazing voice. So I think, I don't know, she sounds kind of airy. Like airy Grande, you know? Which isn't bad. It's just like, that's her style. It's like, so try this. Like breathe out. Like that, alright? Now add some tone to it. Say, wow, 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 and say, Ariana, Ariana. It's kind of how she sings. I don't know, in some songs where it's low. And then her high notes, it kind of sound. Oh, baby, oh, you have to go sometimes, like just to be a fool. I'm a fool for you. Only at the appropriate times you want to go like that. Okay, so number 1, breathe out. It's kind of like Mariah's style. And number 2, go in the beginning of each note. So very subtle. Like, I'll still be a fool. Or, if the water dries up and the moon stops shining, stars fall. So, if the water, you wanna perk your cheeks a little bit. Alright, so if you put that all together, it should sound something like. Again, if you want to learn how to sing whistle notes or in that register, look at my video right here, how to sing whistle notes. Make a lot more sense than what I see ahead of us, yeah. I look to my rearview mirror. It seemed to make a lot more sense than what I see ahead of us, yeah. Playing with the hand that we were done in this game. Baby, I'm a sinner. How soon do we forget how it felt? 'Cause if the water dries up and the moon stops shining, stars fall and the world goes blind, boy, you know I'll be saving my life for you, for you. 'Cause you're the best mistake I've ever made. But we hold on, boy. Just make sure you say boy. 𝗪𝗁𝘁'𝘀 hey, 𝗪𝗁𝘁'𝘀. Don't forget to subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and thank you again so much for watching my videos. Here's another video. You know how I'm feeling inside, something about you. Do it. I'll keep it up through the